and I'm going to show you all my old stuff when I was a kid. So let's get started. One on the market is my Freddy glove. I used to love wearing this as a kid. Let's try it on. It's pretty hard to put on. I had to do a lot of things putting this on. But I had to like tape it back because we used to play with stuff like this, but my days horrible. Yeah, still nice, still can use it, but I'm a teenager now. Who cares about this stuff? Okay, well, next one on the list is the one and the only Freddy Krueger hat. It goes with the glove. Right there. It goes with the glove, you know, but it looks hideous on me. I look like no Freddy Krueger. Oh, like some drunk 80s cop. Yeah. Let's go to the next one. My Boy Scouts knife. Yep. It's my multi-tool Boy Scouts. You know how it is, man. But I wanted to tell you. I have a lot of things on here. Look. Get a good look. We have ourselves can opener, can and beer opener, and a little skin knife. You can skin a lot of people on that. Well, more like skin fish. A skin fish with that knife. But next, I'll save the best one last. Here is. I use this to chip wood off the stuff. Chip wood. Yeah, chip wood is hard. But I chip wood with this, and sorry. It's also the best part of this screwdriver. We have a Phillips head screwdriver on our multi-tool. Well, it'll go in handy. Best, but certainly, maybe least, but not least, we have Boy Scouts giant knife. I'm sorry, I'm making weird, but look at that. That's good. Yeah, still usable. But that's all it is today. Well, I don't know. Well, gonna show you some more stuff. Goodbye, bye. Fourth one, my Baldi's Basics collectors. I'll pop backwards for you. Well, either way, it's my Baldi's Basics collector's item. My Baldi's Basics. Well, hard to get back in. Still use them. I still keep them in a package, but I can still open it. Here they come. See on the back? There's Baldi, Angry Baldi, Principal, and the Bully. They need to start coming out with more stuff. Y'all know that. What? Look, he's got his little, sorry, I'm having a time-lapse thing. Let's see. It was the thing you did math pad and a quarter. And a beautiful smile, but it's not, no. Next to the record, right to the next round. But not least, well, it is on this video. My Nintendo Switch. I used to use this when I was a little kid. Well, let's use it. Play some games. You can watch. You know, best game back then. The best. Use B to jump and A to do that. That best game. Yep, the best game back then was the only good game you could buy. $60. I have a $60 game on here. The best $60 I've ever spent. Well, I don't think they sell these. I don't think they sell these anymore. They were the best. Now we have Xbox 36s and stuff. Like, why you want to go on with the Xbox, not the Nintendo Switch? Keep going with this. Nintendo, you need an upgrade. Subscribe and click that bell notification if you haven't. And like this video if you already haven't. If you haven't.